Hey, I'm Chris with Mobility Solutions, AffordableMedicalUSA.com. This is the Merritt's Powerchair. It's a travel chair. It's the P-321. Now they make this in a deluxe model or a standard model. The difference between the two is the deluxe will be a 300-pound weight capacity and the standard's 250, and the battery range is 12 miles compared to 9 miles. I think you'll get more mileage out of these things though. So I'm not sure which one this is. We know this was in the blue or the turquoise. We actually sold a lot of these chairs at one time. They've changed them a little bit, but inside this is what it's going to look like. It's made in Taiwan. So what we'll do is we'll pull these out and then I can tell you some specs. So the heaviest piece on the deluxe is 54 and the heaviest piece on the standard is 42. If you're smaller, you probably can go with just a standard. So inside of here there'll be all your armrests, and we're going to go show you what all this is once we get the seat out. We'll put that to the side for a minute. In this box you'll find a charger. This should be the indication of what chair this is, because it's probably got a 3.5 amp charger. It's deluxe, but you go ahead and take all this out. And this one is probably this one's the deluxe. So, and then you have this little cord that you would plug right into here, and then you'll have your indication of power and charging. So we'll put that in the box, throw this to the side. Next box you're going to get is going to be this one, and this will have your remote. The old VR2, it's a good remote. Power button, horn, speed control, lights will shine for the battery indication, and this will show you more for faster speed. Joystick right here. You can always change this rubber keypad out. You don't have to replace this whole joystick. If it's having a hard time turning on and off, just replace this overlay. So we'll put that to the side, throw that to the side. And in here, you're gonna be like, well, what's in here? Well, sometimes you'll find stuff being shipped. Well, they'll have random boxes in here, but there's nothing in there. So just make sure you still open them just in case. You don't wanna. And here's your seat. The seat's light, 20 pounds maybe. Check the specs. It's a high back, but it's not a recliner. It folds down. So put that to the side. And in here, ooh, pretty. It's pretty. This comes off. Now this is adjustable in height. They're going to say remove this before use, but you need to charge it for 12 hours. So what we're going to do is, this is just going to be velcroed on. Just remove it. So this one is the deluxe. So the batteries, this is going to be heavier. Now these can be taken out. It's a little bit more work, but if you can pick 54 pounds up, you don't have to remove these batteries. But if you want to make it a lot lighter, remove these batteries by removing this Velcro and just pull, and you push this button to loosen them. So to disconnect this, and that's just going to come right off, is there's a little button you press right here. So you're going to push that button. All right, if this gives you a hard time, you give me a call like this one's giving me a hard time. So I'm just gonna pull this bad boy right up. This is about 65 pounds. And okay, so I'm not sure. Okay, there it goes. So just give it a little bit of a push since it's new. And that's how this comes apart. So this is lighter than this, and this is 54 pounds, but that's because of these batteries. So you can make this very manageable by removing these batteries. The standard one will have the 12 15 amp hour batteries in there, I believe, 14 amp hour, and it'll be 42 pounds. This front will be 42, and they can also be removed. There's your circuit breaker. So take this and connect it right back. This is your foot plate. This just come down, be a little snug at first, and then you're going to take your shroud, make sure this little cord comes out, and you're going to stick it right on there. And then you have we're in a free wheel at the moment, but you have a disengage up here for one motor. So that's free wheel. And then you also have a disengage back here for the other motor. So you press that down and you can roll it. So take your seat, remove this plastic. Scissors if you like. Take it. This one doesn't have a swivel, so if you need a swivel seat, get the P-321 Deluxe or P-320 by Merritt's. It'll be 65 pounds of heavy, so you can go with a go-go travel chair, or you can go with a Light Rider Envy. What you want to do next, take your seatbelt out, go ahead and set your seatbelt up to connect it. Grab your back post right here and remove these out a little bit. And then these are adjustable in width and they're flip backs. And you want to tighten this up. And tighten these up every so often. You don't want it to come off, but it's kind of tight. But once you get it, this won't move. Grab your other side, put it right on there, and you want to adjust these so this doesn't mark the seat up, like so this doesn't touch. And we'll just tighten that up. You'll see these little clips. These are nice for the joystick, and I'll show you how that works. It's like Christmas sometimes. You start unpackaging it. You got grandkids? Save this bubble wrap for them. They'll be entertained all day long. At least my son is, and I got plenty of it. Put these in. These are height adjustables and they're flip back. If you're right-handed, so this one doesn't matter, so you can put the joystick on this side or on this side, either or. So we'll put both of these in, tighten them up, and we're almost done. Then you take your joystick, what I like about this chair is that you can make it extremely light. What I don't like about this chair is you can't charge the batteries away from the unit. So you can with the P-320, which is going to be 65 pounds, and you can do it with the Go chairs or the Envies. They have the battery pack separate. So you just clip that there, and you plug this right in. So make sure you do it the right way though. See how that has the arrow? So boom. And then you can kind of put this back down a little bit or out the way. Again, I didn't do it right, so I'm glad you're watching this video. When you put that seat belt, gosh, I can't believe I did that. You just take that loop and put it through here, and then you put these on, and then you tighten these up. See, that's maybe a little too close, but if you have to get it as close as you can and you're not going to push the seat down, then you're fine with getting it all the way in. And on this side, I messed up again. So when you get this chair, we always send unboxing videos on everything we usually sell, because most everything we sell we have unboxing videos for. When it comes to power supplies, we don't just sell anything. And that's it. And then what you want to do is you want to take your charger, obviously unravel that, just undo this. This is just, and you're going to plug this right in to the joystick. 3-prong, hold it by this, put it in. So you just plug this right in here, and then this plugs into the wall. And then charge it up overnight. You see this light should be green, I think, when it's fully charged. This light would be green. Give it a 12-hour charge. After that, charge it up each night after you use it, and it's ready to go. This is the P-321. Now remember, this comes in 3 different colors. It comes in a standard and a deluxe. Deluxe will have bigger batteries, will be a little bit heavier, but you can remove the batteries if you need to. If you have any questions about a power chair or power traveling chair or scooter, you can always call us at 803-926-2224. My name's Chris. You can ask for me or visit us online at affordablemedicalusa.com.